Hi everyone, this is Justin from First Tech. Today we are going to be doing a test drive of the Momento M7 2K QHD dash camera. We're going to be just recording some driving footage, and it's a beautiful day here in Seattle, so let's get to it. The Momento M7 records in 2K QHD at 30 frames per second, making it our highest resolution dash cam yet. Shooting at a wide angle of 135 degrees, anything you can see through your windshields will most likely be captured in clear detail on video. So from the moment that your engine is turned on till you turn it off, the Momento M7 is constantly recording activity at the front and rear of your vehicle. So even if something happens in front of you that doesn't directly impact your car, you're still gonna have it on video. Now, let's say you wanna start a manual recording that you wanna be able to find more easily later. You can actually start a manual recording by tapping the LCD.
Start manual recording.
And you'll hear that sound, which will confirm that you're recording whatever's in front of you right at that moment. In addition to driving and manual recordings, the Momento M7 also provides event recordings, which are triggered by the built-in shock sensor. And lastly, when you're off the road, the Momento M7 has a parking mode, which will activate video recordings when the camera's motion or impact sensors are triggered. One of the great things about the Momento M7 is that it comes with a rear camera. The rear camera records in 1080p, so you'll definitely notice a difference in resolution, but it's worth noting that my rear windshield is tinted to the legal limit. So despite that, I'm still getting good detail in the back video.
Start manual recording.
The last thing I want to talk about on our test drive is image processing. Notice how quickly the M7 adjusts to the different lighting conditions. This is super important if you're going to be driving at nighttime or in a parking garage where lighting is going to be really different from outside. And the M7 definitely delivers in providing a crystal clear picture. With summer here, the roads are definitely getting more busy, so this is a great time to invest in a Momento dash cam. A dash cam can provide crucial video evidence to protect you in the event of an accident or an on-road dispute. The Momento M7 is compatible with all vehicles, so if you're interested in finding a dealer and installer near you, please visit momentocam.com. Thanks for joining us on this test drive.